We are here at our first workshop in the series, and in this session we had a chef come along and teach us how to cook yummy food with ingredients that are important for brain health.
We are going to talk about the focus foods as we go through today, because there is obviously purpose for what we're doing. What we're going to do is you're going to have a talk with your buddy, see what it is you got in the fridge, then you can find your equipment and get cooking.
As soon as I saw the recipe book and the variety of foods we were cooking, I thought the underlying reason for all of them was that they must be good for your brain health. And the fact that they are tasty and a variety showed me that, okay, we can eat fun things that would still be good for our brain health.
I think the mango and passion fruit fill definitely was my favourite, and it's amazing that it's really good brain food. It tastes so good. And it was really easy to make as well. So definitely we'll be doing that one again.
I've been grown up in India by my parents around telling us what is the importance of food. Don't just gulp it down. Everything has a particular nutritional value.
It's been such a good experience, really. Loved all the food. A few things there I want to try at home, certainly, including the chocolate avocado pudding.
I absolutely think that this is a crucial hands-on experience that every one of us as a student should be having during their studies.
I strongly believe if early at stage you start taking these things, it will help with your brain, the inflammation, the anxiety, depression, and eventually dementia and Alzheimer's will be in control.
One of the goals of the project was to create dialogue, using a creative and approachable way to talk to people around you, and I think we definitely hit the spot with that.